Asbestos can still be found in many parts of older homes. It was commonly used in a wide range of construction materials, such as popcorn ceilings, floor tiles, roofing sheets, adhesives and glues, insulation, boarding, pipework, and all kinds of other materials. That's why we've developed our asbestos testing kit, designed to give you peace of mind. Our kit enables you to quickly and easily test suspect materials to determine if they contain asbestos. Here's how it works. You order one of our asbestos testing kits, choosing the number of samples you wish to test. You'll need one sample per surface tested. Your kit contains everything you need to carry out the process from start to finish, including an easy-to-follow step-by-step instruction guide, personal protective gear to keep you safe whilst taking the sample bags, a return mailer to our laboratory. Following the instructions, you'll simply collect your sample into provided sample bags. You'll then pop the samples along with the paperwork into the return mailer and drop into your courier or post office. When your sample arrives at the NVLAP accredited laboratory, they will be tested under a microscope by one of the analysts to check if there are any asbestos fibers in the samples you submitted. Your certificate of results will then be emailed to you in PDF format. It's as simple as that. Got questions? We're here to help. Get in touch and our dedicated customer service team will answer as soon as possible. AsbestosSampling.com, dedicated to empowering safe environments.